Dear students, last period we have seen some questions of this exercise 13.1. Means question number 3, then question number 4. Uh, Last period we have seen ये questions हमने देखे last period में. Now today I am taking here the question number 5. Here question is express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Four numbers are given here, and first of all we find the prime factors. इसके लिए पहले हम इसके prime factors find करेंगे, फिर उन्हीं prime factors को एक product form में लिखेंगे. अगर prime factors अगर हमें सेम आते हैं, मतलब एक ही तरीके का prime factors आते हैं, तो उनको फिर हमें power में भी लिखना है. Now you see this question. Question number 5 first. Question number 5 first here is 648. So we find the factors here, prime factors. 648. It is an even number, so we take here the 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. Again 2. 2 1s are means 12. 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Then 2. Then 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. Now it is an odd number. We can use here the 3 use कर सकते हैं because it is a divisible by 3. So we write here 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 carry 21 means 3 7s are 21. Then 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9 means 1. So we write here 648 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into how many 3s here? 1 2 3 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 648 is equals to how many 2s here, student? Here is 3, तो 2 power 3. यहाँ पे 3 2 जो है 3 टाइम, यहाँ पे 2 जो है वो 3 times आए. So I have written here the 3. And then how many 3s here? 1 2 3 4. 4. So we take here the power 4. Now this question is over here. Then the next we see the question number 4th. 3600. It's a big number. We get here the more prime factors. Here it's an even number, so we take here the 2. Then 2 1s are 2, and then 2 8s are 16 means 1800. Then 2 means 900. We take 2. Then 2 4s are 8 means 115. 1 carry means 10. So 2 5s are 10 and then 0. We take here 2 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 carry 5. 1 carry means 0 means 10. So 2 5s are 10. Now it is an odd number and it is divisible by 3 also. So we take here the 3. 3 7s are 21. 1 carry 15 means 3 5s are 15. We take 3 again, means 2 2s are 4. 2 3 2s are 6. Here 3 2s are 6. 1 carry 15 means 3 5s are 15. Then 25, it's divisible by 5, so we take here the 5. 5 5s are 25 means 5 by 5, 1 here. 3600 is equals to, now we write the these factors in multiple form. 2 into 2 into 2, and then 3 1 and 2. 3 into 3 into how many 5s here? 2 means 5 into 5. So here 2, how many times here? 2 1 2 3 4. So we write here the power 4, and the 3 2 times 2 here power 2, and 4 or 5. Here 5 is a 2 times, so we write here the power 2. So we have expressed here the prime factors एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर्स ऑफ दिस प्राइम फैक्टर। इस प्राइम फैक्टर्स को हमने एक प्रोडक्ट में लिखा है और पावर के साथ भी लिखा है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, here one next question is a simplify. This is our next question, simplify. So many numbers, so many questions are here, total 8. We see here the one by one. The question number, here is a 6. Simplify. We take here the first 2 into 10 to the power 3. So here 2 into 10 to the power 3 means we write here the 3 times, वो भी multiple form में 10 into 10 into 10. So we multiply here. Here 2 into 10 means 20. Here 10 into 10 means 100. And the product of these two, 20 into 100 means 2000. This is the value of this. The next, we see the question number 4 here. 3 into 4 to the power, here is 4. Then 3 into, we write here the 4 times, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 here. Means here 3 4s are 12. Then here 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Now we do here multiplications. 64 into 12. 12 4s are 48, 8 4 carry. 12 6 are 72, 72 and 4 76 means 7600 768. दिस इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस। ये जो प्रोडक्ट आया है इसका हमारा, वो हमारे लिए हो जाता है 768. देन आफ्टर दैट we take the next question, means 6th. Here the 6th is 5 power 2 into 3 power 3 here. 5 power 2 means we write here 2 times 5 into 5, and here 3 power 3 means we write here the 3 times. Now we do here multiplication. 5 into 5 means 25. Then here 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. We do here multiplications. 27 into 25. 5 7s are 35, 5 3 carry. 5 2s are 10 and 3 13. 2 7s are 14, 4 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Means 5 3 and 4 7, and here 5 and 1 6. Makes 675. This is the value of this. We take next question, is the 8. The question is 3 square into 10 to the power here the 4. We write here 3 power 2 means 3 into 2, and 10 to the power 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. We do here multiplications. 3 into 3 means 9. 10 into 10 means 100. Here 10 into 10 means 100. And 9 into 100 means 900 into 100. And is equals to, we get here the 9 and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. इसके साथ 4 zeros आएंगे. Means here value is 90,000. We got here the value. इसकी जो कैलकुलेशन करने पर हमें जो मिला है वो 90,000 है.